Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to place image in InDesign with transparent background. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to place an PNG image or with transparent image. Now we go my image file. We can see here the image. Then we go our browser. You can use any browser. Now I am use the Chrome browser. Then write remove bg. Then press enter and go to the first website. Then upload your image and make your image PNG. Wait some moment. We can see the image background is automatically removed. Now I am download the image. Then go the download location and place the image on your desktop. Otherwise you can place your location. Then we go back the InDesign software, then click the file menu and click the place option. Then go to your image location and we can see here the PNG image. Then click this and click open. Then drag the image on your page. Now we can see the image is not available the background. Now we can see we place image without background or make transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.